Hi, everyone. This is a quick prompting hack that I wanted to share that I'm hoping is going to be useful for people. For example, I'm using Agent AI and I built a little agent. And here, one of my prompts, which basically is about I'm trying to find out for a company that visited my website if they have any initiatives around go to market that they're talking about in news and press releases and stuff like that. And then so you'll notice that this is kind of the instruction, the prompt that I gave it. And because I'm using Perplexity, it actually gives you the citations of like what are the sources that it went to. And then, this is kind of the output that it came up with. And when I look at the sources, and so I look at the output and it says, oh, there isn't any real mention to focus on go to market. But here it says that there are some demand generation strategies. So when I go look at 2, 6, and 10, I'm noticing that uh, these aren't really about um, Velocity, right? They're about some other random companies. And so what I want to say is that what I want to figure out is how do I write this prompt so that it does not go to random websites and it only goes to velocity.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it into ChatGPT, and I'm going to say I have this prompt that is causing perplexity to get citations that are not relevant. How do I tell it to only get citations that are specific to the company that I am passing it? And then I'll say prompt. So I'll paste the prompt there. And then I'll say, end of prompt. And then I'll have citations. And I'll go back here, pick these citations from here, copy these over, and then paste that here. And let's see what it does. So it's going to think about it. And so I've now gotten to the point where the way I revise my prompts is I actually pass the output, which I don't like. Say, this is the input, this is the output. I don't like the output. Uh, can you now change the prompt? So this way I don't have to sit and think about the prompt. And so now you'll notice it's like revised prompt, came up with something, blah, blah, blah. So I can now go and take this and put it in there. And so you'll see you only use citations that reference this, ignore generic go to market articles, blah, blah, blah. So again, little simple hack that I use to make my prompts better is to use the output of the prompt with the prompt. I pass it to ChatGPT and I say, hey, this is my prompt. This is the output. I don't like the output. What do I need to change my prompt to make the output better? And then I have a conversation and I tell it what is better. So I hope you find this useful. Thank you.